Hi, my name is Ian. I'm the developer of the Tangle Library app, and I'm here to show you what we've been working on. So our idea was to take the concept of Sandy's Tangle cards, and so right now you can buy Tangle cards, you'll go for your Brain Edition, and take the artwork from that and the ideas from it and sort of transform it to make it appropriate for an iPod or iPad or iPhone. So this is the iPad version we're looking at right now, and you can just see these are the tangles that come included. And what we can do now is click into any one of these tangles to see how to draw it. So here's Mumsy, and I click in, and here are the steps on how to do it. And so I can tap a specific step to sort of highlight it, and that way if I'm going back and forth working between my iPad and my drawing, I can easily remember where it was I left off. And so in addition to that, we also have some features to make it easier to find what you're looking for. So for example, let's say that I'm just starting a composition and I'm looking for something that's really used for sort of the focus, a central piece. I can say only show me ones that are used for focus, and I can see, here are some options I might want. And once I find the one I like, so say I like Mumsy, I can star it and sort of add it to a set of things that I want to refer back to later. Let's say I also wanted to use a fill and I wanted something that was a little bit darker and maybe curvy. And so now I see sort of tangles that meet those criteria, and if I liked Quip, I could star that one as well. And so now I can clear out the other filters and say only show me the starred ones, and now I see the Mumsy and Quip, which I just starred. The idea is I could build out a little palette of tangles that I'd like to use in a composition. So that's the basics of sort of filtering and reviewing it on the iPad, and I'm going to go to the iPhone real quick. So now I'm looking at the iPhone, and from here I could do just like on the iPad. I can filter, and here's a list of filters. They're exactly the same. And if I want to learn how to draw one, it's a little bit different. I tap in and I see, instead of seeing all of the steps laid out, I get sort of a film strip on the bottom with the steps, and then I have sort of one of them zoomed up bigger. And we found that this really worked better for learning how to do this on the iPad. So I can swipe to go through, or I can tap one of the arrows, or use the film strip to go back and forth. One nice thing about this is, so right now I'm on step 3. Let's say I wanted to remember what the finished one looked like. I could go back to it, refer to it, and if I go back in, still on step 3. So it remembers where you left off.